This is the Somnee travel case. They just sent this over to me to test out. I'm excited for this because I travel a lot and it was very hard to take the Somnee with me. I was like taking the charger and all that stuff and it was just too much. So now we have this charger case. Inside the box is the case itself. If you want to travel, get good sleep, I think you need a way to transport this and protect the band and carry extra cases. So here we got, ooh, this is cool, but USB-A? That's disgusting. Come on, USB-A, really? Of all things, I can't even use this cable now. I have to bring a separate adapter. This is just sad. But USB-A, we've got this charging here, so now I can charge it in the travel case. I wish that was built into the case, where you would just have a USB-C port on the side, and then the charger was magnetic right here. But we can all dream. This will be stored in here, and then you can put your extra pieces for the stuff that goes on the headband inside of there. You can lay down your Somnee headband here, so that's nice. Do appreciate that. But for a device of this recent time and stature, I would love to see a USB-A cable or built into the charging case itself. But this is it. I'm going to test it out further. And now I can take this hard case with me. I'll know my Somnee headband will be protected. They did send this over to me, so I did not purchase this. So thank you. I'll have a link and discount code down below. Subscribe. See you next one. Peace.